I want to connect with nature, to people, and culture. I want to experience the beauty of the mountains and the mesmerizing seas. But how long would these wonders last? Would my future children still see its beauty? Or it will just be trapped in my memories? Or photographs perhaps? We have cried over and over again with the environmental problems we have. But we fail to realize that our actions are the real villains. We still have the chance to make a sustainable home. But this vision will remain a vision unless we start doing something. A simple waste can create complex problems. The same goes for simple actions which can lead to better changes. We've been taught so many times about waste segregation and no littering. Even reuse, reduce, and recycle. Zero waste lifestyle also emerged. But what do you think is lacking? It is our commitment. Ang adhikaing ito ay hindi lang para sa aking sarili. Para ito sa mga batang nangangarap. Sa mga taong patuloy na nagsusumikap. Para ito sa iyo, sa ating lupang sinilangan, sa kapwa kong taga-BACNOTAN, at sa minamahal nating LaUnion. Dungdungwek ang kaprobinsyaan, irugi tayo, itad.